G'day everyone. Well, with Eeyore's upgrade all but completed, I've got to say I was really impressed at how easy the iTechworld gear is to install, especially the fact that you've got good quality, easy to read user manuals. There's also a support blog on their website for tips and tricks on installation and how to use the gear. What I was impressed with is the fact that the equipment itself has really good solid mounting points and everything that you assemble is all colour coded, which is making your life really easy. The heart of the system is the iTech 120X Pro lithium batteries. Not only are they half the weight, but they're producing twice the power of the old AGM system. Next up is the iTech BC40 charger. Plug this into the mains and it's pretty much set and forget. It does all the hard work for you. The unit actually has several key functions built into it which work in perfect harmony with the lithium batteries to protect your investment and also to make sure you get maximum longevity. My favourite unit is this little guy, the iTech DC-DC 40 charger. It actually hooks up directly to your vehicle and ensures that your lithium batteries receive the exact voltage that they require, irrelevant of what the vehicle's alternator is producing. What I like is the fact that you can select a range of different battery styles depending on what you have installed. And it's also got a priority solar charge button. Last but not least, the icing on the cake, the 2000 watt iTech inverter. This bad boy is going to be able to power all my creature comforts. Even after we've cooked up a storm, I can easily check what's going in and out of the batteries with the iTechworld battery monitor. But next week, I'm going to take you out and about and I'm going to show you the entire system in action.